Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Suman, geologist. Now I am going to explain about geological time scale. So in this time scale there are four eras are there. Each era can be divided into again different types of periods. Again periods can be divided into epochs. So in this each era can be explained in the millions of years in that particular period or epoch. So this is briefly introduction about geological timescale. This timescale is a sequential arrangement of strategic rock formations in the past life, which can be used for the correlate for the rock formations across the wall level for geological correlation. This is the standard geological timescale. So in this timescale there are four columns are there, which are one column is era, shows era and period, epoch and age. So in this time scale can be divided into 1 2 3 4 main eras, which are Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. These are the main important eras in this time scale. So first of all, Earth was born at 4.6 billion years ago. After formation of the Earth, atmosphere is formed. So that is the natural process. While we after creation of the continents, so this time scale from that time the time scale has been prepared. So first of all, Precambrian means which can be this is it is the first stage of the first era of the this geological time scale. This Precambrian can be divided into two periods, which are Archean and Proterozoic and Hadean. So Archean, Archaeozoic and Proterozoic. Ajoic means there is no life. During the period of Archaeozoic period, there is no life. Means life has not started at that Archaeozoic period. So Ajoic means there is no life, Joikos means most life. So for example, Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, there is no life. Archaeozoic, there is no life in that Archaeozoic period. So in the case of Proterozoic period, so primitive life has been started, like alga material, stromatolites, Colonia vazurcaria. Such type of alga material has started at the stage of at the period of Proterozoic. So in the when you study about the Kadapa basin, stromatolites we can study in that Kadapa basin. So after Precambrian, Paleozoic era. This is the most important era in this time scale. Means in this Paleozoic, most life has been started from Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. These are six periods are there in this Paleozoic era. So how can we remember these six periods? Simply first letter of this periods, for example Cambrian, first letter is C, Ordovician, O. So COSDCP, cos DCP. If you remember the first letter of these periods, cos DCP, simply if you can remember always periods of the Paleozoic. So what are the events what have happened between Cambrian to Permian, we will discuss later class. So this is about Paleozoic. Most life has been abundant of life has started in this Paleozoic era. After Paleozoic, Mesozoic era, which can be divided into three periods, which are Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. This most important thing is Jurassic period is in that period we will discuss about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs means we have seen many movies, Hollywood movies or Bollywood movies or Telugu converted movies also we have seen Jurassic. What is how they were formed in the past. So this is about Mesozoic. Cenozoic, there are tertiary, quaternary. This is in the case of Cenozoic era, there are two periods are there, tertiary and quaternary. So these periods can be divided into again seven epochs, which are Paleozoic, Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene, Pleistocene, and Holocene. How can we remember these epochs? Just simply first letter of these epochs, P, E, O, M, P, P, H. So these are the very important epochs in the Cenozoic period. Quaternary. Quaternary, in the case of Quaternary period, Himalayas are formed or evolved due to the action of crustal plates between northern plate and Indian plate. So Himalayas are formed. So these are occupied northern part of the Indian continent. So this is the very important geological time scale for correlating the geological past geological strata. So it is very useful for